Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace wiper blades on a Lexus RX 350. Begin by lifting the wiper arm carefully away from the windshield and securing it so it does not snap back. Remove the old blade by releasing the locking tab and sliding the blade off the arm. Inspect the wiper arm for damage and clean the windshield edge where the blade will contact. Finally, attach the new blade until it clicks and lower the arm gently to the glass. Start by carefully lifting the wiper arm until it stays raised and you can access the connector easily. Locate the small release tab near the blade pivot, press it, and slide the old blade straight off the hook or pin attachment. If resistance occurs, wiggle gently rather than forcing the joint, and inspect the arm end for rust or bent metal. Keep the old blade for size comparison when selecting replacements. Match the new wiper blade adapter with the arm type on your Lexus RX 350 and line them up carefully before attempting to attach. Slide the blade into the arm connector until you feel or hear a positive click, indicating a secure fit. Tug gently to confirm it is locked in place, then lower the arm back to the windshield slowly to prevent any sudden impact. Test the wipers on low speed to ensure proper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.